So let's do the second question. Second question. What is the circumference of the following? So we have a circle, part B. The diameter is 1.4 centimeters. So B is a circle. The diameter there is 1.4 meters. What is the circumference? Circumference of the circle is equal to pi d. Pi is 22/7 and the diameter is 1.4 meters. So this will be equal to 0.2, which is equal to 4.4 meters. 4.4 meters. That is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. So 7 goes here once, 7 goes here 0.2. Okay, 0.2 times 22 is equal to 4.4 meters. So 4.4 meters is the circumference of a circle which has a diameter of 1.4 meters. Question number 1C. 1C, what is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 10.5 centimeters? Circumference. What is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle of a radius 10.5 centimeters. What is the distance around this circle, which has a radius of 10.5 centimeters? So circumference, the answer is circumference will be equal to pi d. Pi d. And pi is 22/7. The d, our d will be the radius. Radius times 2. This will give us the diameter. Diameter. We know the radius is 10.5. So 10.5 times 2 is 10.5 times 2. This will be equal to 22/7 times 21. 10.5 times 2 is equal to 21. And these are in centimeters. So 7 cancels out with 7. Then 7 goes into 21 3 times. So the circumference of this circle is 66 centimeters. 66 centimeters. That is question 1C. 1C.